So this is interesting. This is the main shaft for the distributing the power that operated this lumber mill here. And there would have been big leather belts hooked up to these flywheels here. This thing's probably from 19 teens. Maybe a little earlier, maybe early 1900s. And the interesting thing is I can walk up here and with very little effort, I can spin that sucker. And even though that thing's listing at an angle, it's still a couple of pushes. It's on about revolution 10 or 12 right now. So after all of these scores of years, it's still balanced. And that's really amazing. So we're on the road with the Land Digs. We're at a sort of a secret location somewhere in Volusia County at an old lumber mill.